is that the box should just about fill the frame. All right. Okay. You can start. For my friends who are getting all these tech toys for Christmas, I'm going to have an opening of a new device that I just got. If you haven't ordered it, I'm so sorry for you because shipment time is as long as 2 weeks. So you forget that overnight thing. Don't order it thinking you're going to have it by Christmas because it probably is not going to happen. But then your results may vary. So I'm going to have this opening just for your benefit, and I'm going to take you through some of the processes. I'm not going to bore you with too much information, but here it is. I was talking to my golden muse the other day. How difficult everything is to open for an old person, such as I am. This is simplicity itself. But in that simplicity comes a price you have to pay, because if they had left this out on my stoop in front of my door, it probably would have been immediately stolen in my hood. Okay? They don't let such things as this get by. I apologize for the light, but as my golden muse and I discussed, there's such a great deal of difficulty even opening gifts nowadays that you just about have to sacrifice your first child. But I'm going to keep this simple. I may not be able to make it through all of the steps, but here is an idea of what should be in your box. Now, I love these marvels of technology. I really do, for many reasons, because I rely upon them as far as my rehabilitation and my home security. Um, as I said to my Facebook friends, I had come up with the idea of using these devices to add to my home security. I hadn't even gotten the email out when Amazon came up with the idea of being able to use this as a security device. It will alarm you to let you know that your windows have been broken, someone has breached your door, and everything else. So, again, this is what comes in the box. These are the instructions for this very, very high tech piece of equipment that most people disregard. But again, I incorporate this into my security system. And that way, and by knowing that my house has been broken into, I don't have to hurt anybody. It's not about me. It's that I don't have to hurt anybody because they made the mistake of breaking in to a blind, bald, bowed old man's house. Think Clint Eastwood. Would you really want to break into his house? I don't think so. So, certainly not with a grand rifle from World War II or something like that. And from here, I'm looking for a plug, which I think is only over there, to plug this in. So I might not be able to do everything I had wanted to do. Here we go. Here's another one. Here's a good Christmas holiday piece of advice. Never overdo your plugs. I know we all do. But, so I have plugged it in, and you can see now that it is warming up. I have the Amazon logo there. And I don't know which pair of glasses I need because I can't see since I'm a blind person. So this is actually how long it takes for it to get started. And again, the beauty of this is that in addition to this is an 8-incher. I've got a 10-incher also, but I need a different size. But there you have it. Getting your device, something, primetime something, getting your device online. So all of this is going on right now. Um, as I sit here and just chat endlessly. But again, I don't think I'm going to be able to log in and do everything else for you. But this is the quick and dirty way of doing this. And see, it's already got my name because I've got about 7 to 10 of these already. But it automatically has picked up my name. And so I'm going to accept, yes, that's me. But I will probably still have to put in the my wireless number, which I'm not going to bother with at this moment. Accept the time zone, which I do. Now, again, these Alexa devices are absolutely outstanding for playing your music, and especially your prime music. It's great for getting on YouTube and having your grandkids have a good time and everything else. So all of that's there. I'm going to choose, I have two choices there right now. I'm going to choose living room, which is where I may or may not put it. You can always go back and undo any of this. So this is Perry's Echo Show. And I have got many of these. So my wallpaper, I'm not so much concerned about. I would rather have one of my favorite brands' pictures on there or a group shot. But you can choose and not choose to do much of anything. I can listen to my audiobooks on this also. So when I am sleepless and I can't go to sleep, it will sit back and read the Bible, the King James Version, or the Torah, or Quran, or anything else, okay? Start your 30-day. You got a free trial of 30 days. I don't need that right now since I'm already a past member. And I've got all my books, and my books are still there. I've got hundreds of books on Audible. You can see it now. Say it's almost done with the chime.
This device is ready.
Oh my gosh. Isn't that amazing? So here we go. Let's try her out for the first time. Alexa, what is the weather forecast?
Right now in Clinton, it's 51 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly sunny skies. Throughout the day, you can expect more of the same, with a high of 53 degrees and a low of 26 degrees.
Alexa, what is the wind chill?
Right now, the wind chill is 51 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect it'll feel like 28 degrees.
Alexa, how far away is the sun?
The astronomical distances of the Sun and Earth are 92,955,807 miles.
Alexa, how long does it take for light from the sun to reach the Earth?
According to Universe Today, light takes an average of 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel from the Sun to the Earth.
Alexa, how far away is Jupiter?
Today, Jupiter is 577.5 million miles from Earth.
Keep in mind, friends, that that distance changes every day. Computer, how many moons does Jupiter have? Computer. Oh, Echo. Alexa, how many moons does Jupiter have?
Jupiter has 79 known moons, more than any other planet in our solar system.
Computer, how many stars are in our universe? I'm sorry, my friends. My new Alexa device is answering on another Alexa device. But you've got an idea how simple it can be to set one of these jewels up. And it's up to you. If you want to stay dumb, ignorant, and stupid, that's your problem. But be able to sit back and access all the knowledge of the internet on this little device with a